5 reasons kung bakit mo magugustuhan si Tribit Stormbox 2 Portable Speaker. Una sa lahat, ito lang naman yung alam ko na may 24 hours playback despite its portable size at very handy design. Kaya kanyang bigyan ng full 24 hours of continuous videos and music playback. Number 2, this is waterproof IPX7 rating. Pwede mo tong gamitin kahit umuulan. I've seen some people nag-splash ng water, yung iba nilulubog pa. Pwede mo tong gamitin both for indoors and outdoors kasi nga waterproof po siya. So hindi mo na kailangan problemahin lalo na ngayon na tag-ulan. Number 3, ito yung may legit na totoong bass because not only na meron siyang 2 pieces 48mm full range speakers, meron din siyang dedicated bass button dito. So if you turn this on, mas buong-buo po yung tunog ng bass niyan unlike other speakers. Number 4, meron siyang 360 surround sound. So let's say nakapalibot kayo dito, hindi na kailangan itutok yung speaker because the music goes in all direction. 360 yan. So pantay-pantay po yung tunog niyan on all sides. Lahat po kayo ma-enjoy yung music. Number 5, last but not the least, ang galing nito because you can actually connect this to another unit ng isang Tribit Stormbox 2 speaker, and if you link them together, pwede ka na magkaroon ng left and right stereo sound. Kung sakali na dalawa yung ganito mo, mas ma-enjoy mo rin siya. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng portable speaker pero buo ang sound, ang tagal ng battery life, naka 360 sound at pwede mo pang gamitin kahit umuulan, ano pang hinihintay mo? Ito po si Tribit Stormbox 2 speaker. Stay safe. Peace.